Well, ACCA is interested in non-interest banking because we believe that it provides a very strong foundation for building societies, specifically in gaining access to finance. And given that access to finance has been one of our main pillars, we believe that this is a great opportunity to diversify, products that support in accessing finance.
Interesting. There's also the green financing part of all of this. How ready do you think we are from a regulatory perspective?
Well, I think it's a journey. Green financing, has been, if you like, a recent development, and I believe that it's a learning experience. There are other countries or jurisdictions who are ahead, and I think there's an opportunity to learn from those. But so far, the proof points demonstrates that green financing makes business sense.
Now, to professionals out there, what are the prospects really in this whole non-interest banking industry?
Well, I think the prospects are similar to what you would say we have in the traditional banking sense, but then this is a new, if you like, avenue. So for professionals, it opens, opportunities to be able to support in, new areas. So if you take our traditional, banking services and products, this then brings in an additional layer. So I think it creates more opportunities for not just professionals, but, for those that we serve. And it gives us more options when we are advising our clients or our organizations in terms of the options of finance that they can take up.
So since you are Africa Director, tell us, what's the continent's posture or response, especially from a private sector perspective, to non-interest banking?
Well, I think it's varied. I mean, there is non-interest banking happening already in some African countries. So I think it's a matter of experience. And I think in those countries where, non-interest banking, has been practiced, for example, in Kenya or maybe in Nigeria, for example, I think the story is relatively positive. I think we need to give customers more options anyway. So, adding another layer, of service in terms of, revenue, finance sources, I think that creates more avenues for increasing revenues for banks and for other organizations such as insurance companies, but also it gives, the consumers or the customers more options as well when it comes to accessing finance.
Would you say any banking institution that doesn't adopt non-interest banking will be left out of the narrative in the near future?
Well, I guess it's about choice. I mean, some banks from a strategic reason may not want to embark upon it immediately. They may want to test and learn, see how others, do it. But of course, I mean, those who make the bold step will definitely have the first mover advantage. And as you know, in business, the first mover advantage is key. So I think from a sort of business development perspective, it is an opportunity for banks. And I hope that, it's one that, most banks take up.
Thank you.